Morning, morning, morning to everyone. It's Friday, TGIF. Thank goodness it's Friday. And another day, back at it again. Get up and get on it, okay? Self-motivation is the best motivation. Self-love is the best love. But I'm back at it again. Here, at the gym, get ready to go do my workout class. Yes, and I don't know if it's gonna probably rain some more. I know all day yesterday it was coming down, but I don't know about. I was in class mostly all day yesterday, but yeah, I'm getting ready to get it in. I know they got a thing with cameras and stuff anyway in the workout class, so I don't think I'll ever be able to vlog none of that, because they don't want no people to be vlogging them. But I don't never put the camera on nobody anyway. It be on me, but people still, people still wonder and may question and everything. But okay, but check back in with you later. Okay, y'all. I just finished my class workout. It was a workout. And I just finished it, and that was a doozer. I just finished that. It was a setup in here, and I do workout tutorials. It's on me. It was a workout where they set up. No. Okay. No. They're putting everything up now, but. Putting everything up now, but they had it set up for do it in the workout style. Just wanted you to see. Whew, I'm back. Oh, that was a workout. I tried to I just insert the clip that I have, but I tried to just let you see the setup. She had made working out fun. Well, it's always fun, but she had done a setup for us to at different stations. The first one, you have to carry the potatoes between your legs, then drop it in the bucket. And the next one, you put the stocking cap on your head and you swing to knock down the mats. Then you do the bounce ball and everything, and then we done our cardio, breathing techniques. It was fun, and it was a workout. That's why I'm just gonna really just make sure I strive to definitely come to, at least if I don't come to nothing else, I need to come to these classes, the group exercise classes, because oh my Lord, she work you out. Normally when I finish the group exercise class, I don't do nothing else. It's like I'm through, I'm done, I'm ready to go. But I got on the treadmill for 10 minutes and I done the arm stretches. But yeah, I got that in. It's Friday. That was what my day consists of. I just wanted to go ahead on and come back now instead of me just waiting, because probably knowing me, I'm probably just gonna get a shower and just relax and mellow out. I think I did pretty good overall for the whole week, because yeah, I think I can't even remember. Yeah, I came to Tai Chi and I came to the group exercise class Wednesday. So yeah, I worked out by 3. Yeah, I came and worked out for three times this week. The program, they at least would like for you to at least work out for an hour and a half, and it don't have to be at one time. It just can be throughout the week. So I did good, because the the group workout class is 45 minutes. So, I mean, if I just come to the group workout class, I reached my goal for the program, working out an hour and a half. But I always try to, when I finish the group exercise class, like I said, I try to go do something, get on the treadmill or do something. That's what I at least try to go do. Something like that, you know. But I think I need to just keep at this. When I first started out, though, I used to just be so drained pretty bad and tired. But since I've been coming, it's been helping me, and I'm not as, you know, because with me having lymphedema, it's really, really important for me to just keep moving. But you don't have to have no type of illness or situation going on. I mean, we need your lymphatic system is very important, so you need to keep that moving regardless of whether you have something going on, some type of illness or condition or whatever. You need to just really just keep that going and make sure you keep it moving and keep it working. But yeah, I had to take my hair down. That's how it got something serious in there. I had to take this down because in doing the stocking cap thing, anyway, I had it up in my little bun. I had to take this down. But I made it do what it do. Because I does what I do, what I do. Okay. But, that's what that was. I don't know what I'm going to get ready to eat. I think I'll probably eat my leftovers for now. Then later on, I don't know what I'm going to do. But I can't even remember if I told you all about doing the physical assessment. I can't remember if I did, but I just said it one more time, and I know I said it, but it's important to try to do that. The physical assessment, have someone assess you when you're getting ready to start working out and exercising. Because I was thinking that I didn't want to do it. It wasn't going to benefit me. I just want to start working out. But it was good for me to do that, for the lady to talk to me and assess me as far as like telling me what I should start off with and what I shouldn't really start off with doing too much of. Cause like I said, when I first started out, I did too much, and I felt it too. The very first time, it was too much. I learned real quick. I did. So, but yeah, I mean, if that's offered to you, take it, and if you don't mind doing it, just do it. The physical assessment when it comes to you, doing your workout regimen and everything. But I guess the rain is not gonna come down on us too much no more here where I stay. But yep. But keep on getting that in. And if your day didn't start off great, make it great. Okay? Be blessed.